trees all along, right? They're here for a reason. Silk production. Did you know that the silkworms can be fed with the mulberry leaves only? Exactly. This is the reason why the mulberry trees are planted all along. And besides that, you are going to be able to understand the motifs, designs, and meanings as well. And then this is a place where you are going to be able to feel and experience the Turkish hospitality.
I want to say welcome for you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
By the way, what I will do is I will just try to explain you how they make carpets, what we are, how we get the silk from the cocoons. May I just invite you to the workshop, please? If you like to, some of you can sit next to them as well, that you can see it better. Her name is Emine, and her name is Gülay. I set them to work together, that you can watch both the looms when I make you the explanation. The carpet she is working with is with the muff of the silk. And it is 100% pure wool. That one here is also 100% wool one. By the way, in the area we have more than 2,000 ladies making carpets for us. Please step in. See, only you are. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. The carpets they are making is wool. Those are the type we call them tribal type, nomadic type. Designs are here, but even they don't need to look at it because they are just in their minds. And when they make it, they take one word from the front here and one from the back of the loom. Can you see it? It is set in this way. Hadi gösterelim Emre. Düğüm atıyoruz. Both are doing the same thing. Pick up the right ones, then make the knot in first, wrap around, and in again under. Durun öyle. This is a double knot. That's a Turkish knot, which is tied around two different ones. Bir daha. Evet, çıkmaz değil mi? When it's a double knot, even if I catch one trying to pull this one out, when I pull this, the other one around the other warp is tied up. It doesn't come out. Means you can use your vacuum cleaner as much as you want to. Probably you have a lovely cat. They love to play with the carpets. Just let them to play with it. Nothing will happen. After they complete the knots, this is the weft that they separated and push the weft all the way along through. Then use the iron comb, make the knots and the weft tight to each other. After this, by using the scissors, like that, they will trim the pile of the carpet. That's all the technique from beginning till the carpet is completed. They will continue to follow.
Wow.
Any questions so far?
Amazing. I noticed she was using kind of like a blade cut, so it won't come apart because she's just done that.
Yeah, she has to use the knife, and the other ones are just the waste. We cannot do with anything with them. By the way, time-wise, if we talk, size of something like 7 by 10 feet, let's say, like those, that needs the work of about 5 months of workmanship.
Wow.
But if you talk about a silk one in the same size, that will need 4 years of workmanship. How many knots it has will make the time. May I also explain you how we get the silk from the cocoons? Let's go there. Would you like to come and get one to feel it?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Could you please come closer here? Although this small workshop, I want you all to feel it. When you have the cocoon, and when you shake it, that is the. Why don't you get all the basket that you can just pass it from hand to hand? Everybody can have one, please. That is the sound of the dead bug in it. Can everybody hear me?
If they come.
Okay. And before we put the cocoon in hot water, we shock it by using steam. Means the bug in is not alive anymore. Otherwise, when the time comes, it will turn to a moth, will pierce the cocoon, come out. Then male and female ones, they will come together. The female one, by the way, this is the life cycle and the metamorphosis of the silkworms. The female one gives about 400 eggs from each. Then the eggs will turn to the silkworms, the caterpillars. In the beginning, they are really so tiny, and they are black originally in the beginning. Their lifetime is about 40 days. Have you seen the mulberry trees outside? We just pick up the leaves of the mulberries, feed them. They eat day or night, non-stop. About 32nd day, they are that big. And they start to make the cocoon around themselves. And they complete the cocoon in 1 week time. Then we put them in hot water by using such brush, like this. If you come closer to me, I think more people can feel it. Can you see?
Yeah, connected
Yeah.
to the neighborhood.
She starts to pull them. In fact, she starts to unwind them.
Oh my goodness.
Then take them, push them through the wire there. Roll it around the spool and fasten it up to the wheel. Use the pedal on the right side. Can you understand what's happening now?
Spinning is slow.
Spinning the silk.
Spinning the silk, yeah.
When I do so, if you touch it here, would you like to try it? You understand what I mean better?
Yeah.
Or if I do like this, I think this is the best way. Can you see the fiber in front of my finger
Yeah.
here? Hoppa. No problem.
It's right behind you, I think, or near you.
No problem. Çevir. You want to feel it? It is warm.
Yeah.
From one cocoon like this, we get roughly about a mile long continuous silk fiber. That's really incredible.
It is.
One small cocoon, a mile. And
Dragging up
if you want to feel how it is, after the wheel there, it is like this.
feels like straw.
Yes. That is because of the salvia of the silkworm. To protect the thread, it uses a lot of salvia. We combine 10 of this together. If you think of that one has 40 cocoons in, 10 times 40 is 400. In that strength here to make the carpet sweat, it has 400 cocoons. We boil it up, all the salvia of the silkworm goes away. Then we color them by using chromium dyes. Those are the dyes we import them from Germany, from the firm of Bayer Leverkusen. In silk, we look for perfection. Please feel how soft it is. It's parachutes. Even in old times in Ephesus, they have had used it to cut the marble wood as well.
Really?
Yes, with the help of very strong heat and very cold water.
Wow.
Now, my friend Mustafa will show us the way. Let's just pass in. See the finished ones, please.
That's pretty cool.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bringing such a lovely people to my country. Well, at least a small portion of my country. We would like to mark this visit just to say thank you very much with a little rug from nomads of Tarsus. You know, the birthplace of Paul for you.
Oh, thank
I
you.
want you to accept this to remember this trip all the time. Would you? Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, you know what?
Names of the carpets belong to the area. And the first piece, hadi girme. Zamanımız az. The first piece is a Sivas. How I say, çevirin girmem. I sent my friends to rotate it. This is a 100% pure wool carpet. How you understand it's 100% wool? Can you tell me what's it made of? Looks like silk, check. But it is made of 100% pure cotton. Everybody cannot afford to have a silk one in that size, which will be about 40,000 range. That's why we start to work with cotton. Looks like silk, but it is not silk. Work. Yes. You see the reverse side of it? That is the guarantee of the workmanship. Could you please, if you are not too tired, just stand up, have a walk on that. See them from different sides, check them. By the way, this is a traditional way of using a Turkish house.
So this is chai, eh? Apple tea. This is delicious.
Okay, thank you. Apple tea.
Cold apple tea, white wine, and lime spell.
Oh, it smells good. It's chai.
This is traditional.
Oh, there's someone behind you.
So it's interesting the mixture of a country that has several countries within it. No, thank you.
Şerefe
Şerefe.
means to your honor, to your health. Şerefe.
Şerefe.
So with this, I will tell you that at the end.
Okay, we have already seen the tribal type, nomadic type. Let's see some carpets from Ottoman Empire.
Ottoman.
Oh, wow.
Like this, cut on the base, wool the knots. Evet.
Beautiful.
Another one. With a central medallion design on.
So many patterns.
By the way, if you touch the flowers of this, onda siyada. Could you please touch the flowers? Oh, that one? The flowers are set. The rest is cotton and wool.
Wow.
The flowers are a bit lower at the pile, you will feel it. And a carpet from Tarsus.
Tarsus.
That's
A bigger
Beautiful.
version of the one. Yeah.
Yes, beautiful.
I like that one.
In the
Hoppa. Yeah. Flying carpets. Huh?
There you go. There's your flying carpet. That was your flying carpet.
Okay, let's see a flying one as well. Hoppa.
That was a real thing.
I can see where the guy
One of my
had the
best
strength,
pilots.
that one.
She was not on it.
Oh, small detail.
Good. May I give you?
Thank you.